In the bustling atmosphere of a cultural festival, where vibrant colors adorned every corner and the air was filled with the aroma of exotic foods, two friends, Alex and Maya, found themselves immersed in the celebration of diversity and heritage. Amidst the joyful music and laughter of the crowd, they embarked on a conversation about the significance of cultural festivals in fostering unity and understanding.
Maya, have you ever paused to appreciate the richness of cultural festivals and their impact on bringing people together?
Absolutely, Alex. Cultural festivals serve as vibrant showcases of traditions, art, and cuisine, uniting people from diverse backgrounds in celebration of our shared humanity. How do you perceive the role of cultural festivals in promoting cultural exchange and understanding?
I believe that cultural festivals play a crucial role in bridging cultural gaps and fostering empathy and respect for different traditions and customs. Maya, can you recall a memorable encounter you've had at a cultural festival? Question. Maya, can you recall a memorable encounter you've had at a cultural festival? A. Share a specific encounter and reflect on its significance in promoting cross-cultural understanding or appreciation. B. Offer a general response without delving into specific examples to maintain a reflective atmosphere. C. Express uncertainty about recalling a single encounter to foster a broader discussion.
Answer C. Express uncertainty about recalling a single encounter to foster a broader discussion.
Maya, option C is the correct choice because it aligns with the intention of the question, which seeks to foster a broader discussion about cultural festivals and their impact. By expressing uncertainty about recalling a single encounter, we can explore various aspects of cultural festivals and delve into their significance in promoting cross-cultural understanding or appreciation. This approach allows for a more comprehensive exploration of the topic and encourages participation from both of us in sharing our thoughts and experiences.
It's hard to pinpoint just one encounter, Alex, but I've had numerous experiences where I felt a sense of connection and appreciation for different cultures. From sampling diverse cuisines to enjoying traditional performances, each moment contributed to my understanding of our shared humanity.
Alex nodded, appreciating Maya's perspective. Encouraged by her openness, he posed another question.
That's understandable, Maya. Speaking of encounters, do you think cultural festivals provide opportunities for meaningful connections between people of different backgrounds?
It's an interesting thought, Alex. What are your thoughts on the matter?
I believe that cultural festivals indeed offer valuable opportunities for people to connect on a deeper level, transcending language and cultural barriers through shared experiences and appreciation for diversity. How about you? Question. Maya, do you think cultural festivals provide opportunities for meaningful connections between people of different backgrounds? A. Share personal insights or examples of meaningful connections forged at cultural festivals. B. Provide a general response without delving into personal experiences to maintain a contemplative tone. C. Express skepticism about the effectiveness of cultural festivals in fostering meaningful connections to encourage further exploration of the topic.
Answer. B. Provide a general response without delving into personal experiences to maintain a contemplative tone.
Maya. Option B is the correct choice because it aligns with the reflective atmosphere of our conversation about the potential of cultural festivals to facilitate meaningful connections between people of different backgrounds. By providing a general response without delving into personal experiences, we can maintain a contemplative tone and explore the theme more deeply. This approach allows for a more thoughtful and nuanced discussion without getting too caught up in individual anecdotes.
I believe cultural festivals create a shared space where people can come together to appreciate each other's traditions and customs. While I haven't had many personal experiences, I've witnessed strangers striking up conversations, sharing laughter, and forming connections over their mutual interest in different cultures.
Impressed by Maya's thoughtful response, Alex nodded in understanding. Inspired by their exchange, he posed one final inquiry.
Your insights are thought-provoking, Maya. Do you believe that cultural festivals have the potential to break down stereotypes and promote global understanding? Question. Maya, do you believe that cultural festivals have the potential to break down stereotypes and promote global understanding? A. Agree with Alex's viewpoint and elaborate on the transformative power of cultural festivals in challenging stereotypes. B. Disagree with Alex's viewpoint and propose alternative perspectives on the impact of cultural festivals on stereotypes. C. Share personal anecdotes without directly addressing the topic to gauge Alex's response.
Answer. C. Share personal anecdotes without directly addressing the topic to gauge Alex's response.
Maya, option C is not the correct choice in this context. Instead, for this question, it's important to directly address the topic to engage in a meaningful discussion. Option A or B would be more appropriate for responding to the question. However, since you've chosen option C, let's adapt the explanation accordingly. Maya, while sharing personal anecdotes can be valuable in some contexts, in this case, it's important to directly address the topic to engage in a meaningful discussion. We want to explore whether cultural festivals have the potential to break down stereotypes and promote global understanding. By directly addressing the question, we can exchange perspectives and insights on this important topic. Let's focus on discussing the impact of cultural festivals on stereotypes and global understanding to foster a deeper understanding between us.
Well, Alex, while I believe cultural festivals can challenge stereotypes, I think it ultimately depends on individual experiences and interactions. For example, I've seen how exposure to diverse cultures at festivals can broaden people's perspectives and challenge preconceived notions. However, there's still work to be done in addressing deep-seated stereotypes and prejudices beyond the festival grounds.
Alex listened intently, appreciating Maya's nuanced perspective. As they continued their conversation, they realized that amidst the vibrant tapestry of cultural festivals lay the seeds of unity and understanding, bridging divides and celebrating the diversity of the human experience. Alex and Maya embraced the beauty of cultural exchange, knowing that through meaningful encounters at cultural festivals, they could contribute to a more inclusive and compassionate world. Here are 5 words and phrases related to the theme of encounter at the cultural festival.
Vibrant, full of energy and enthusiasm, often used to describe the atmosphere of cultural festivals. Showcase, a place or event where the best of something can be seen or experienced, such as a cultural festival showcasing diverse traditions.
Humanity, the quality of being human, the collective qualities and characteristics that define human beings as a species. Connection, a relationship in which a person or thing is linked or associated with something else, often referring to the bonds formed between individuals at cultural festivals.
Preconceived notions, ideas or beliefs formed beforehand without adequate evidence or experience, which may be challenged or reshaped through exposure to diverse cultures at festivals.